Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. This is the 5-minute series and the topic for today is seed processing. To our new audience, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this particular lecture, the link of which is given in the description box. And currently we are offering 40% off on our NABARD Grade A 2021 course, and to avail this offer you have to use the code NABARD40. So today the topic is seed processing. And what is seed processing? So basically, after harvesting of the grains or whatever crop that you are growing, that is done till it is again able to consume that particular crop, there is a time period between that. So the aim is to store that crop, especially here we're looking at the seed. So our aim is to store that seed so that it does not germinate before it is ready to get consumed or used for any purposes that is required for. So this particular thing, to increase the shelf life means the time period of it is known as what? This is known as seed processing. So all the processes that are followed to achieve this aim, to increase the shelf life, is known as seed processing. So there are different methods. First of all, we'll go for cleaning. So when harvesting is done, a lot of dust and chaff and other insects, dead insects, they also get they all are incorporated while harvesting the crop, right? So basically, while collection, everything is now at the same level, and we have to do what? We have to now do cleaning to separate seeds from whatever the dust particles or whatever waste that has been collected along with that. So there are two methods. One is wet cleaning, second is dry cleaning. What is wet cleaning? When wet cleaning, this is usually followed in those type of crops in which we require the seed from some pulpy vegetable or fruit. For example, we have cucumber and tomato. If we have to remove the seeds of that particular these crops, what we will do, first, when these seeds are removed, then they are vigorously rubbed with sand. Why is coarse sand, and why is it to do so necessary to do so? It is because whatever mucilage or whatever material or the flesh that could be around the seed, it could be removed, and after that it is repeatedly washed under running water, so that to remove whatever impurities or whatever flesh that has been there. And after that it is sun dried for 10 days before storage. And in dry cleaning, whatever we do, especially in leguminous crops, we have pods, and in under these pods we have seeds, right? So these pods, they are sun dried, and then threshing is done, basically removal of the pods from the seeds, so that what would happen, they could be available for storage. Next is winnowing. Winnowing, this is a very traditional method in which what is done, the seeds, they are tossed in the air, as you can look in the picture also, so that because the chaff that is, you can say, the material that is around the seed that you observe, the brown part, that is lighter in nature. So what happens, due to the effect of wind, the lighter chaff, they get separated from the heavyweight seeds. Here you can see seeds are here and this chaff is here. And this technique, now it is, the machines are also available for this particular method. So this is one of the method of seed processing, that is winnowing. Next comes sieving. In Hindi it would be छानना. छन्नी आपने सुना होगा, right? So in this, the all whatever dust particles, chaff, whatever they are of different size than of seed, they get separated due to the effect of sieving. Next is drying of seeds. So moisture is essential for the germination purpose, so we have to reduce that quantity, so that unfavorable condition they will develop for the seed and they would not germinate. That is because we need seeds, right? So in drying of seeds, we have two methods. One is natural drying. So in natural drying, the seeds, they are they are dried with the help of sun, and they are spread in large areas, that could be roof or field or whatever. So the positive main advantage of this is what? It is very easy and cheap method. You just have to spread it, you do not require much settings for that. But there is one loss also, that it is very slow drying and you need a large area to spread all the seeds. Okay. Next is artificial drying. This is a new method in which machines are used to heat dry the seeds of the particular crops. And there are both positive and negative effect of that. Positive is that because it does not, as you can see in the picture also, it does not require much area. And apart from that, it dries them quicker than the sun dried method. And but the loss is that the equipments, they are very costly in nature and not every farmer can afford it. And in fact the fuel requirement is also very expensive. Okay, so these were all the methods of seed processing that was part of your course of syllabus of your NABARD. And all the best for your examination, and keep study hard. Thank you.